Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet. We're gonna use this 4-strand paracord bracelet core with the 2 working ends. The tutorial how to create it you have in the top right corner of this video in information cards, and the length or dimension of a cord used you have down in the description box of this video. This awesome paracord bracelet double shark bite is done by Elena Polkanova. This is the similar weave as the modified shark jaw. So that being said, if you wanna learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet, you can do so by clicking on the information cards and go and find the tutorial for it. So that being said, we're gonna start with today's project. We're gonna take the left cord, in this case is the yellow, and we're gonna pass it on top of the bracelet core strands, the 3, and we're gonna insert it into the gap between 3rd and the 4th cord from the left side, or in the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord from the right side. When we've done that, we're gonna create the loop, and then from the back side we're gonna exit to the left side. So we're gonna make the loop around those 3 inner strands or bracelet core strands. Now with the neon green we're gonna make it into the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord from the right side, like so. And then we're gonna make it through the loop of the yellow from the back side. And now we're gonna take the neon green and we're gonna create the loop. So from the top we're gonna make it on top of those 3 strands, and then into the gap between 1st and 2nd strand of the left side, or in the gap between 2 yellow cords of the bracelet core. Then around, and from the back side to the top and through the loop on the right. Now we're gonna do the yellow cord, so we're gonna insert it into the gap between 2 yellow cords in the bracelet core, like so. And then we're gonna exit from the back, but through the loop of the neon green. So here we are, we finished today's project. I hope that you like this bracelet. It's very unique paracord bracelet because on the both sides you have the same design, as you can see here. So on each side the same pattern or the same look of a bracelet. I hope that you like this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. If you're not subscribed, of course consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye!